Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to the kitchen. So check this out. This is a pet water fountain. So I got this. So we have a tiny little doggy here. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it works with a little pet with a water fountain. So it comes with some instructions here, and it looks like it comes with a cleaning brush right there. So that's kind of nice. And basically explains how to put it together. So let's just check it out and see how it looks. That's pretty much everything in the box except for some sort of card. Tells you the 3 steps to set it up, but we're gonna try to just get this thing and see how it goes. So let's see how we do this here. So I have to take it apart. There, and then inside we have a cartridge filter, which it looks very much like my Keurig filters. Very similar to the water filter for that. So I'm guessing it's probably some sort of universal thing. There's the little warranty activation sticker in there, which I'm guessing I probably need to take the sticker off so it won't get in the water. Oops. If I can. It should come off easy. I was just not pulling it correctly, but there we go. So it's completely off clean. I just have no sense of ability. And then let's see what we got here. I'm gonna say that this would be the pump. So this is the pump. So a cute little pump here. So the pump is gonna go into the section right there. You see it's got the little place for it. And it's got a little filter on the pump too, so that's nice. And then this is the top section here. So we're gonna put the filter in there. I'm guessing you probably need to rinse all these things first, but we're just changing it up here a little bit for right now. And then, let's see, where is this wire gonna go to go out? It's gonna go, I have to unspool it here. Pretty easy to figure out without really even looking. I guess it's gonna go down to this little section right there. You see there's a little hole right there. And pull it through. There we go. I might have put it backwards. So there we go. So that's what it's gonna look like inside. And then this will go on top of it. And you see when I put this on, this little part goes over the little rubber of the filter. So now when it's going, it will shoot up top. And then this is gonna go up top here. And let's see, does it go in a certain way? Probably. There we go. And now we gotta fill it with water. So I'm just gonna fill it over here at the sink, which is right next to me. So I remember how to work my sink. Now it looks like it takes about 2 liters, I think it said. So decent amount. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up just because I don't want to waste too much time here, but I'm gonna do that. See, so the water is going in the top here, filling in the bottom. I think I'm over the pump level. So let's try this now. Let me plug it in. And it's USB, so you do need a USB plug. It looks like it doesn't come with one. And there it is. So there, now it's going. And check it out. It's coming through like that. So it does that, so it's got a constant flow. There, actually, you can't see it very well there. You can see it's got a constant flow of the water. And then it goes back down through here into that filter and then back around again. So it's very cool. So it'll keep the water nice and fresh. So if you have a cat or a dog who likes fresh water, it's gonna be the way to do it. So very cool. So I'm gonna give this thing a thumbs up. I'm about to go put it on the floor, see how the dog likes it. But it's pretty good. And it's nice because it flows so smoothly here that it's not making any noise. So I know I had one before that was like a waterfall, and that one made noise and Doug didn't like it so much, but I like it. So thumbs up for me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, links in the description, and it is the pet water fountain, and I'll have the link for you. Thanks, bye.